to show you how you can download and install Python in your macOS environment. So before we get started, let me tell you that Python is a dynamic language and it offers both functional and object-oriented programming. So if you are quite familiar with the programming and all, Python offers something that you cannot just avoid. So before show you how to download and install, let me tell you that this is a new channel and this is the first part of the Python series, and this just includes how to install Python in your system, and there is a whole bunch of new Python tutorial coming soon, so just make sure you press the subscribe button and smash the bell icon beside, so whenever they're online you get notified, and it will include all the necessary things that you need to know from basics to advanced. So another thing that is in macOS environment, Python 2 has it's pre-installed, so macOS uses it for internal purposes. So I'm going to show you how you can download and install Python version 3 or another version of 2. So first we're going to hit this python.org in your favorite browser, and you can come to the downloads, and here I'm using macOS, so this is the latest version of Python available, that is 3.7.2. You can download whatever you need, whether it's Windows or Linux or something. You just need to download this. I'm not going to download this because I already have downloaded. So once you click there, you're going to get a DMG file and you need to just install it. So once you install it, you need to just jump into the terminal, and here you just need to type Python 3 if you install Python 3 version, and it will pop up. So let me show you that the pre-install version, if you simply write Python and hit enter, you can see here Python 2.7.10. This is the default version, as you can see here. So you just need to press Ctrl D to get out of it, and if we type now Python 3, you should be seeing Python 3 version. So as you can see here, it's Python 3.6. Actually, I have not installed the latest version because I needed this 3.6 for my own usage. So okay, so this is how you can download and install Python in your system. And in case of you're using Windows, you will get a exe file that you just need to install, I think MSI file. So this is how you install Python in your environment. And other thing is, you can there are a whole bunch of things like how to write code in Python or how to get started with Python. So all this series with amazing stuff are coming soon. So I again want to tell you that please subscribe the button and click the bell icon beside to get notified. And as always, if you like this video, then please share with your friends and let them be part of it. And this is a new channel, and just your help will really help us to grow. And again, just let us know what you think about this installation video in the comment section below, and thanks for watching.